Happy Tuesday, my dear friends. I wanted to apologize for not getting this up exactly at 9 o'clock. My cow legs took a little bit longer than expected. It happens. It happens. So I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you for all the shadow art creatures. If you're not done, please turn that in. If there's some kind of snafu, something going on, communicate. I don't know unless you tell me. So thank you, thank you, thank you for that. I feel like we're finally getting in our groove, and I appreciate it. So, what's going to happen today is we are going to continue to research and sketch. Then, underneath this thread, I want you to tell me which of the three options you're going to choose and either what you're going to create or the materials you're going to use. So, our first one is using the first one is to create a scene of some sort. So, decide what story you want to tell and then start constructing that scene. The second option is going to be using multiple objects to create one shadow, which I'm doing here today. It's going to be a cow. Just wanted you to know. And then the other one is combining land art and shadow art together outside to create an environmental piece of sculpture. So what's going to happen is today and tomorrow, I'm going to work on my cow. Then I'm going to give an example of land art outside. And then finally, if we have time, and I feel like it's a good use of time as well, then I will do a scene as well. So please make sure underneath the comments that you write which one of the three that you're going to do and either the materials or what you're going to do. So I would say I'm creating shadow art using multiple objects, and I'm going to create a cow. If you don't feel comfortable putting it in the comments, just shoot me an email by all means. And you know my philosophy is make this work for you. Make adjustments as you need. That's completely okay with me. You are the learner and you are the artist. As long as you're achieving those learning goals, I am happy. And what I'm looking for this is concept. So what is your idea? Which one do you choose and how do you develop it? Then the second one is going to be composition. How do you create those shadows? Are they interesting shadows? And then finally craftsmanship is going to be that time and care we put into it. So now for the setup for my shadow art. So notice how I have my flashlight and my stool set up. Also notice that I have tape marking where it is. This is going to help a lot when I continue and I work on this again. So every time I restart, I don't have to adjust things because that tape shows me where it's at. So let's turn off the light so we can see it a little bit better. And so what I have done is let's get this adjusted. Good. All right. So I've drawn my outline of the cow, and then from there I start building up those shadows and just filling in the space. So I wanted to lift it up a little bit, so I used some plastic. And then I just used a cardboard cup. I could have used cardboard of any type. That's just what I had down in the basement. So then I started cutting and taping that. And then what's going to happen is I'm going to continue to fill in the rest. So out here is going to be the body. So it's not going to be attached to it. It's going to be up a little bit, and I'm going to continue to build. So hopefully tomorrow we will get some progress. I miss you terribly. Communicate with me. Shoot me an email or a meme. It makes my day. As for office hours, we are going to have them today from 1 to 3 and then Thursday from 1 to 3. And instead of doing period by period, we're just going to open it up to everyone because I haven't had a ton of visitors. So then that'll just kind of condense it. turn in your shadow art and land art, the shadow creatures, and then make sure to write which one you're going to be creating and what materials or objects. Thank you, friends. Goodbye.